Hey guys, Isabel from Isabel Eats here. I don't know about you, but after eating all of the holiday cookies and breads and casseroles and desserts, I think I'm ready for just a little break. So to help you stick to your healthy eating goals, I'm going to show you how to make these easy and quick turkey fajita rice bowls in partnership with my friends over at Honeysuckle White Turkey. Let's get started. First, we're going to grab my favorite hot Italian turkey sausage from Honeysuckle White and cut the links into small coins. Now we're going to add this sausage to a medium hot skillet coated with a little olive oil and cook them for about 5 minutes per side until they're nice and browned. Once it's cooked through, we're going to transfer these to a bowl, and then in the same pan, we'll continue to cook our veggies. One of my favorite things about Honeysuckle White is that their turkey is raised by over 700 independently owned family farms across the country without any growth-promoting steroids, hormones, or antibiotics. I actually recently got to go to a Honeysuckle White turkey farm in Missouri, and the family that owned the farm showed me around, showed me how their turkeys are raised, and then we got to share a meal afterwards. And there's just something really special about knowing where your food comes from and actually meeting the people that are raising the food that you eat every single day. Okay, now on to the fajita veggies. So we're gonna add a little more olive oil to the pan, and then some freshly minced garlic. And we're gonna cook that for about 30 seconds until it smells amazing, very fragrant. Next, we'll add the peppers and onions and season them with a little cumin and salt. I used 2 bell peppers and 1 poblano pepper for a little spice, but you can use 3 bell peppers instead if you're not a big spicy person. We'll cook these guys for about 10 minutes or so until they're soft and delicious. Now that the veggies are done, we're going to add the cooked sausage back to the skillet and then turn the heat to low. Last but not least, it's time to make the cauliflower rice. So for this, you have 2 options. You can buy 2 10-ounce bags of frozen cauliflower rice at your grocery store, or you can make your own. All you need is a head of cauliflower. You cut the cauliflower into florets, place them in a food processor, and pulse it until it resembles rice. Then you place the cauliflower rice in a large microwave-safe bowl, microwave it for about 3 minutes, and then that's it. You've got cauliflower rice. To add a little Mexican twist, we're going to add 1/3 cup of chopped cilantro, the juice of 1½ limes, and some salt. Then just mix it all up, and then it is time to eat. My favorite part. These fajita rice bowls are perfect because they have tons of veggies, they're made with juicy turkey, and they'll keep you feeling great all day. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know.